Ever pondered about the significant role of a release train engineer in the Scale Agile Framework? As we delve into the world of software development, one framework stands out for its effectiveness and efficiency: the Scale Agile Framework, or SAFe. This framework is the roadmap that enables organizations to apply lean, agile practices at enterprise scale, leading to dramatically increased productivity and quality. Now, as we navigate this roadmap, we encounter a pivotal figure: the release train engineer, or RTE. Imagine a conductor orchestrating the rhythm of a massive, fast-moving train. That's your RTE in the world of SAFe. They ensure the smooth functioning of the agile release train, facilitating communication, collaboration, and the delivery of value. It's a role shrouded in complexity, yet critical to the success of any scaled agile initiative. To truly understand the enigma of the RTE, we need to dig deeper. Unraveling the mysteries of an RTE's role, let's proceed. A release train engineer is not just a title, it's a responsibility. This statement rings true as we dive into the depths of the role of an RTE in a scaled agile environment. So, what does a release train engineer do? To put it simply, they are the champions of the program level. They guide the process, ensuring that all the moving parts of the agile release train are working in harmony. But like any good conductor, they don't just keep time. They set the rhythm, the pace, and the tone. One of their main responsibilities is to facilitate program-level processes and execution. This means they are the oil that keeps the machine running smoothly. They bring teams together, aligning them towards common goals and ensuring that everyone is moving in the same direction. Impediments are inevitable in any project. The RTE's role here is to escalate these obstacles, shining a light on them so they can be addressed promptly and effectively. They are the ones who sound the alarm, ensuring that no problem goes unnoticed. Risk management is another crucial aspect of an RTE's role. They keep a close eye on potential threats and work proactively to mitigate them. They are the guardians of the project, always alert and ready to tackle any challenges that may arise. Last but certainly not least, an RTE helps drive program-level continuous improvement. They are the catalysts for change, constantly looking for ways to better the process and the product. They foster a culture of learning and growth, encouraging teams to reflect, learn, and adapt. In essence, an RTE is more than just a project manager or a scrum master. They are the orchestrators of a symphony of processes and people, the navigators guiding the ship towards its destination, and the glue that holds everything together. To sum it all up, an RTE is a central figure in the Scale Agile Framework. Their role is multifaceted and complex, but it is also incredibly rewarding. They bear great responsibility, but they also have the opportunity to make a significant impact. Indeed, the RTE is the linchpin of the Scale Agile Framework. Now that we've grasped the role of an RTE, how does one excel in this role? Well, stepping into the shoes of an RTE isn't just about understanding the role, it's about embodying certain essential skills and attributes. Firstly, leadership is key. Remember, as an RTE, you're not just a participant in the agile process, you're leading it. You're the guiding force, the beacon that keeps everyone aligned and moving towards the same objective. Secondly, let's talk about communication. An effective RTE knows how to articulate ideas clearly, listen actively, and foster open dialogue among team members. Next, problem solving is crucial. You should be adept at identifying issues, analyzing their root causes, and devising creative, effective solutions. Finally, a deep understanding of the Agile framework is a must. You need to know the ins and outs of the process and be able to adapt it to your team's specific needs. Becoming an RTE requires a blend of skills and a commitment to continuous learning. Let's recap the pivotal points of our discussion. The RTE, or Release Train Engineer, is the linchpin in the Scale Agile Framework. Their role? To guide and facilitate the Agile release train, ensuring it stays on track and delivers value. To do this, they need a strong set of skills, from technical expertise to leadership and communication abilities. The RTE's responsibilities are vast and varied, from planning and executing program increments to resolving impediments and fostering a collaborative environment. They're the coach, the problem solver, the negotiator, and the navigator. Why is this role so crucial? Because an effective RTE can supercharge a software development project. They can streamline processes, boost productivity, and make sure the team is always moving forward, always improving. In essence, the RTE is the heartbeat of the Agile release train, driving it towards its destination, delivering value. Remember, the role of an RTE is demanding but equally rewarding. So, are you ready to step up and drive your team towards success?